Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I'm from Mumbai. I have some rare scarce coins for you all today. Let's start. Mahatma Gandhi, Mumbai Mint, UNC 300. 82 Kolkata, Dabbu coin, BU condition 200. 82 Mumbai, UNC 200. Set is for 300. You can take. Moscow Mint 2000 BU 50 rupees. Hyderabad Mint Commonwealth Game BU 200. Noida Mint 200. Rajiv Gandhi BU Mumbai 100. Lajpat Rai Hyderabad Mint UNC 100. Nehru Mumbai 100. BU condition. English Legend Mumbai Mint Nehru 50 paise 200. Hindi Legend Mumbai 100. Patel Kolkata UNC 100. Indira Gandhi Mumbai BU 100. Food and Work Mumbai UNC 5 paise 200. 86 Hyderabad BU 20 paise 100. Asian Games Mumbai BU 100. These are some 25 pieces. 85 Mumbai Mint scarce 150. 82 Mumbai 100. 88 Mumbai 100. 84 Mumbai scarce 150. These are some 5 rupees. 2000 Kolkata. You can see die crack is here. UNC condition 200. 96 Kolkata 100. 2003 Hyderabad BU 100. 96 Noida BU 300. 2001 Mumbai 100. 2000 Noida BU 200. Scarce coins 95 Noida UNC 200. Shastri Ji Kolkata BU 400. These are 1 rupees. 91 Mumbai UNC 100. Some line is there, I don't know, this is error or whatever. 100 rupees. 89 Mumbai BU 100. 89 Hyderabad BU 200. 88 Mumbai BU 100. UNC sorry. 86 Mumbai UNC 100. Nehru 1 rupee Mumbai 200. Gandhi Gandhi Kolkata UNC 200. Mumbai UNC 200. Both are 50 pieces. 1950 Kolkata BU 50 paise 50 rupees. Happy Child Mumbai UNC 100. 2002 Noida BU very scarce coin 300. 95 Mumbai BU 200. Bolu Noida BU 300. Plant Family Mumbai BU 200. JP Narayana Mumbai BU 200. Hyderabad BU 200. International Family of the Year Mumbai UNC 400. This is 2006 Noida Mint cross coin, single mint coin. This is for 300. This mint mark looks like a star mint mark. This mint mark looks like a star mint mark. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Mumbai, UNC 200. Some 10 paise, 75 Mumbai, Skates 150. 88 Kolkata 100. 74 Kolkata 100. 76 Kolkata 300. 74 Mumbai 100. 73 Mumbai 100. 72 Mumbai 100. Twenty-fifth anniversary Mumbai BU 50 paise 200. Supreme Court BU Mumbai 300. World Food Day BU Mumbai Mint 10 paise 200. Dhaneshwar Mumbai BU 200. Aurobindo Noida UNC 300. Tukaram Noida UNC 300. Biodiversity Mumbai BU 400. AUNC Noida Mint ILO 300. And Mother Health 400. If you take this both 500 rupees, both I am giving for 500 rupees today's offer, otherwise this is 700 rupees. Single you want, there is the price it written there. Shama Prasad Mukherjee Noida Mint UNC 300. Small Farmer Mumbai BU 300. Dhaneshwar Mumbai UNC 200. 95 Noida 200. Grow More Food Mumbai BU 300. UNC 100. Food and Shelter Mumbai BU 200. Some 50 pieces 1990 Mumbai Mint single mint coin, this is like extra fine type condition 200. 85 Mumbai, this is UNC 100. These all written all UNC BU here. 1971 Kolkata BU 150. 1970 Kolkata UNC 100. 1969 Mumbai 300. 68 Mumbai 300. 67 Mumbai 300. This is like a black beauty, slight here. 64 Kolkata single mint coin, this is not easily available in this condition 400. 63 Mumbai 300. 62 Mumbai 300. 61 Mumbai 300. 60 Kolkata 300. This line is there, don't worry, because you don't get only this coin easily. This is a UNC only, this is from the mint only. This is Food and Nutrition Kolkata Mint A variety. Here V comes, but this is see vertical A. This is like a V type. Otherwise it comes one line here like a normal one. Only for 500 variety coin this is. Hyderabad Mint Food and Environment UNC condition 400. Two I have. One is for 500, one is for 400. Cellular Gel Kolkata Mint BU 400. Cellular Gel Mumbai BU 200. Hyderabad UNC 500. Youth Year Kolkata UNC 300. Save for Development BU Kolkata 400. K Kamaraj Hyderabad BU 400. Aurobindo Mumbai Mint BU 400. Fat Lion 98 Mumbai, you can see this is the Fat Lion, 300 rupees, UNC condition you can see. And 1999 Mumbai, this is Fat Lion, this is a rare, 600. See the clear, everything is clear, all the details are clear, otherwise this rupees doesn't get printed. You can see here all clear, only for 600. Clear lion also, this is also clear only, this is a little cheaper one, this is for 300. 51 semicircle rare, Kamraj Mumbai Mint 500, and normal one AUNC for 600. If you want, you can take both for 1000 rupees as a set. Rainfed Farming Mumbai Mint Kolkata 400, BU condition. Chitrandana Das Noida Mint UNC condition. This is a B Lion variety. This is a B Lion 300. Both are UNC 300 rupees. One is 400, one is 300. Please send the screenshot whichever coin you want. Shama Prasad Mukherjee Hyderabad Mint BU condition 700. Kolkata Mint UNC condition 400. Asian Games Hyderabad BU 300. Now Dadabai Hyderabad Mint UNC condition 1200. Mother's Health Noida Mint AUNC condition 900. This is on lion set. Chinmayananda Hyderabad Mint. You can see thin lion, fat lion, UNC condition. This is only for 200 rupees set, and this middle thing is like a black beauty. You can see one 200 rupees set. Quit India Movement Hyderabad Mint UNC. Quit India Movement Mumbai BU. This is set for 500 rupees. Otherwise this set cost 700, but today's offer set is for 500. AUNC condition Mumbai Mint error coin. Ghost image. You can see the ghost image here. You can see heavy ghost image is there. Only for 400. And your front also, see here lion ghost image is there here also. Front and back both side ghost image. Very difficult to get in 5 rupees ghost image because it's a thick planchet. And a normal Tamil is there 5 rupees. This is also for 400. If someone want both, take for 700. Small family Mumbai Mint BU 500. Sea Lion variety Noida Mint Aurobindo UNC condition only for 400. Railways Bolu BU condition ghost image coin. You can see the Bolus here only for 300. Normal coin price I am giving 1990 10 paise Mumbai Mint case coin 300. Quit India Movement UNC 400. Kolkata Mint very scarce. Subhash Chandra Bose AUNC to UNC type condition Mumbai Mint. This is a ghost image. You see heavy ghost image is there Subhash Chandra Bose ka 500 rupees. 1997 Hyderabad Mint UNC condition This is some black, I don't know what mark, some dirt, I don't know. 1997 rare coin. This is from Hyderabad Mint. 500. Only slight off center also there. Error coin. 500. 1960 Mumbai Mint rare. UNC coin. Only for 900 rupees. You can check, this is not easily available in this UNC BUNC condition. Rain fed warming Mumbai Mint BU 300. Hyderabad Mint Madan Mohan Malia rare coin BU condition 600. 91 Parliamentary BU 300. Some 5 paces. 80 Mumbai 300. This is case coin. 76 Calcutta 100. 74 Mumbai 100. 73 Mumbai scarce 100. 72 Mumbai 100. 71 Calcutta 100. 71 Mumbai 100. 68 Hyderabad scarce 300. Click all single and send me whichever you want. 67 Calcutta scarce 100. 89 Calcutta 100. 89 this also 100. 91 Hyderabad 100. 93 Hyderabad scarce 200. 89 Calcutta scarce 100. 88 Calcutta 100. 85 Hyderabad 100. 85 Mumbai 150. 84 Hyderabad 100. 84 Calcutta 100. 82 Mumbai 100. 81 Hyderabad 100. 81 Mumbai 200. 80 Hyderabad 100. Some lion varieties. This is a planchet set. You know the difference in this planchet. This is a steel type of planchet and different. You can see hexagon also different here. And this is like a copper red color planchet. And see the hexagon also clear hexagon. This is a different planchet. This is like a steel. This is like a copper nickel type. But this is a copper nickel only. You see the difference. You can see the border. You can see the difference. 1100 AUNC to UNC type of condition. This is 1100 rupees set. It's a rare coin, but still I'm giving it for only 1100 rupees. You see. 91 Parliamentary lion set. You can see this flat lion, flat chested lion. It's a split chest. Only for 700 rupees. Basaveshwara lion set. See, this is 3D lion. This is a 2D lion. Check. Only for 200 rupees. Sorry, 300 rupees. 5 paise 1977 Mumbai lion set. I'll show you. You can see this. This is fat lion. This is a thin, tall lion. Yes. Only for 200 rupees. Normal price only. Otherwise 100 rupees only I charge for this 5 paise. So I'm giving it for 200 only. Nothing extra. Nothing I'm charging extra in any lion set. This is 77, same one. 200. 86 Hyderabad. UNC condition. Normal UNC, not gem UNC and BUNC. Only 2400 rupees. Free shipping if you want. Single coin also you buy. Free shipping. 94 Noida UNC 400. 94 Noida A lion rare coin 500. You want set, you can take 800 rupees set. If you want single, then this is 500 and this is 400. On rupees copper nickel, plain planchet, plain edge also, error coin 500 rupees. 71 Hyderabad, very scarce coin, not easily available, only for 500. BU condition, Hyderabad mint, tourism year, 900. This is from the mint only, some dirt, I don't know what it is, 900. And this is UNC condition, nothing is there, no dirt, nothing, 900. You can take whichever you want, both are same price. 62 Kolkata BU, 2200. See the clear date, clear rupees, everything is clear, you can see, only for 2200. This is a clear face Tukaram Hyderabad mint, BU condition. See the face, see, you can see the mustache, eyes, everything. You don't get in the clear face, only for 500. See the everything is clear. Youth year UNC condition, Kolkata, very scarce coin, 400. Cellular gel UNC Noida, 600. Happy child Nation's pride Hyderabad mint, BU, 700. BU condition, food and environment, Noida mint, 600. This is a normal coin, Nehru Mumbai mint, normal lion. And this is lion's head mule coin, rare coin. You see this lion, this is a mule lion. You see this lion, normal lion. See this lion and see this lion. Set is for 600 rupees. This is I'm giving free with it. 600 rupees set. Black Beauty Basveshwar, BU condition, 500. Jet black, you can see. (47) Lahore UNC condition, 1200. The large 5 quarter rupee Mumbai mint, very good condition. See the large 5, no dent damage. See the 5, rare coin. This is only for 2000 rupees, rare coin for 2000 rupees, no dent damage, you can check, and clear, everything is clear, not worn out coin or something, only for 2000. 2004 Kolkata mint, BU condition, clear lion face, you can see, 400. Hyderabad mint, Tamil, AUNC condition, 300, rare coin. FSS, this is a copper nickel die used coin, BU condition, Tilak, Mumbai mint. See this clear line, this clear line you don't get so easily, only for 2200. Food and agriculture, BU condition, Noida mint. See the luster, 1200. This is 2 rupees blank planchet, FSS, and this is with this free I am giving only for 300 rupees. This I am giving free. This slightly something is there. I'm just giving with this free. This is only I'm charging for this only 300. This is with free 300 rupees. This too. BHU Banaras Hindu University. You see Kolkata mint, original Kolkata mint. This is how you know this is original, because you can see this border is printed. Whole border is printed. When border is not there, that is Hyderabad mint without mint mark. So you should understand which is with border printed is Kolkata mint, without, see here, without the border Hyderabad mint. Only for 900 rupees. UNC condition 93 parliamentary Mumbai mint. Single mint coin, this is only 1000 rupees. Noida mint Patel UNC condition 2800. Agri Expo UNC Mumbai mint 1000. Maharana Pratap UNC Mumbai mint 900. Ghost image coin, there is a ghost image. I hope I can show you all. Yeah, there is ghost image, you can see there. Only for 900 rupees. BU condition Narayana Gurudev 900. Mother's Health BU condition, UNC to BUNC type condition. This is UNC to BUNC condition. This is only for 1200. Rare coin. In this condition, very rare. Khadi Village Mumbai mint BU condition 1800. Kamraj UNC condition 51 semicircle, rare coin. Here the 51 semicircle, only for 1200. 1996 rare Mumbai mint 10 paise BU condition 700. 2 annas UNC condition Mumbai mint 3200. Quarter rupee Mumbai mint, rare coin. This is UNC condition quarter rupee. You can check in the book. In the book it is 3500. It is 2800 rupees. Small farmer Kolkata mint UNC condition, rare coin 1200. Some 25 pieces 65 Mumbai 200. 64 Mumbai 200. 61 Mumbai 200. 75 Mumbai 100. 90 Mumbai 300. 57 Kolkata 300. 57 Mumbai 300. 86 Mumbai 100. 83 Kolkata 200. 67 Kolkata 300. 59 Mumbai 600. 59 Kolkata 600. 63 Mumbai 200. 61 Mumbai 200. 60 Mumbai 200. 60 Kolkata, 200. World Food Day Mumbai Mint BU 800. 54 Kolkata UNC quarter rupee. See this is a lion variety, fat lion, only for 800. Half rupee extra fine condition, 55 rare coin, no dent damage, you can see everything is clear, only for 1200. Food for future, this is a variety, you can see this is a big pump variety, it's called First Strike. This everything is big here, the lady, man, everything is big here, and the pump also big. See, clear legends, clear face. First thing is this is clear face one. See, AUNC type of condition, this is only for 7,000 rupees. Very rare coin. International Family of the Year, Noida Mint, AUNC condition. You see, clear dot mint is there, and plain edge, you see the plain edge. Only for 5,500. More luster is there in this side, you can see, and this side is not much. That's why I am saying AUNC, otherwise I would have sold this as a UNC if luster was here also, proper luster. Only for 5,500. This is not available in even extra fine also, very difficult, but AUNC is very high condition now for this. You see mint mark I am showing you. See the mint mark, dot mint mark. Okay, 5,500. 2007 Kolkata Mint BU condition cross coin, 5 rupees. Only for 8,200. Arbindo, it's a lion variety, very rare lion variety. This is X rare coin, you can check in the list. Kolkata Mint, you can see this is a lion, and this lion comes like this only. Even the UNC BUNC ones also mostly they have like this only lion. This is a AUNC type of condition, extra fine to AUNC type condition. This is 3,200. Very rare lion variety, not so easily available. I also got first time that A lion. Half rupee 1934 Kolkata Mint, 1,200. Half rupee UNC to BUNC type of condition. This is 1940 Kolkata Mint, 1,200. 1915 Mumbai Mint, 3,200. 1940 Mumbai Mint, 1,100. This is a ghost image coin. There is a ghost image. Face is there, nose and face. You can see this. See here. See there, this here face ghost image, only for 1,100. 700 rupees silver only is there in this, 700 to 800. 1943 large head variety. This is rare coin, Mumbai Mint, 3,000. Head variety, 43 Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, half rupee, 1,000 with mild rotation. 39 quarter rupee Mumbai Mint, UNC condition 1200. See the last check. 38 UNC condition Mumbai Mint, very scarce coin, half rupee. In this condition it is rare, not even scarce, very low minted, only for 3700 rupees. If you can't add 1 rupee, at least you can add half rupee. Quarter rupee 1943 Kolkata Mint, 800. 1940 UNC condition Mumbai Mint, 1200. 1915 Kolkata Mint, 2400. 1920 Mumbai Mint UNC, 2000. Half rupee 39 Mumbai, 1600. 39 Kolkata half rupees UNC, 1600. 44 Lahore, 1400, so 1 rupee. 33 half rupee, this is single mint coin, 1200. Big variety 1911 Kolkata Mint. If I am not written UNC there, it's not UNC. On you can in this British India you can check. Trying to show you pig. See there, pig. Here this is a pig. Here this is a pig. (1911). And this is also 1911 1 quarter anna. You can see pig variety. Okay, this single coin costs 4900 with mild rotation, you can see, and this is 1500, but I am giving it today as a set, 6000 rupees. I'll give it set, you can take for 6000 rupees, discount 400 rupees discount. This is a rare coin, both are rare coin. 1911, this is Mumbai Mint, 4800. This is also pig variety. Here the pig here. (1943) Mumbai Mint UNC condition, very scarce coin, 1800. 1919 UNC toned, you can see this naturally toned coin Mumbai Mint, only for 2000. This is toned from long years keeping one place. 1922 Kolkata Mint half rupee, 2200. AUNC condition Victoria Queen, 1 rupee, 2500. See, clear hairline. 25th anniversary UNC to BUNC type condition, 10 rupees, only for 2600. 1939 Kolkata Mint mature head. This is a head variety, rare coin. I'll show you example. You see this head, you see this is straight like a spike is there, long line. You see here this long line. This is not above this crown, but see here, this is almost touching the top beads. Here not touching the beads. You can see here. This is a mature head, and head also big, you can see, and this is a small head. Neck, see, and see the neck here. So this is a difference. This mature red is for 2200 rupees. No dent, damage. Everything is clear, legend, clear head, everything you can see. This is not a damage. This is from the mint only. This, otherwise you will think this is a damage. Mahatma Gandhi, Mumbai Mint, BU. 2100. I have some 25 paise and yeah, all 25 paise and some 50 paise and some I think even 1-2 rupees, I don't know. I'm not ready to open this today because just for 500 rupees all take. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching.